Hey there, future homeowner. My name is Becky Jarish. I'm with Baird & Warner Real Estate, and I just wanted to give you a few quick tips on questions to ask while you're out looking at open houses. Something I always tell my clients is really important to understand is the health of the building that they're buying into. One way to do that is to ask about the current reserves in the building. And what the reserves are basically a savings account that is built up through your HOA or your homeowner association fees, which are paid monthly. And these reserves are used to pay for any sort of projects that are coming up in the building, any problems that might happen. So you definitely want to understand how much money is in that account just in case something happens once you move in. Another thing that you want to ask is, are there any special projects or any special assessments coming up? These are future things that might be happening with the building. They're already planned. Ask if they've already been paid for or if that's a cost that you would have to take on as a new buyer. Another thing I always tell my clients to ask is about the rental restrictions. Are there any rental restrictions in the building? Can you currently rent out? Is it short term? Is it long term? Are there any caps on how many units can be rented out at one time? This is always great to understand as well. Whether you're buying an investment property or someplace to live yourself, you just want to understand what options you have in the future. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to ask. My phone number and my email are listed below. I would be happy to help you in any way possible. So I look forward to talking with you soon, and I hope you have a great day.